that they can get into the goal. But with the catapult, you can shoot actually really high up, so you can shoot over other robots.
It's all about finding that balance between your two robots.
Exactly. We got qualification 13 starting up. It's the autonomous period. Red got almost, I think that's 2 tri-balls in the red goal. Almost 3, but they do miss that last one. Looks like red may get the autonomous win point here.
It's looking like you're right, Brandon. As a referee.
Oh, it's an autonomous.
Wow.
Tie. That's the first time we've seen it at Battle at the Beach here. But the win point may be given to red.
When it's tied like that.
Oh, now it's to red.
I was going to ask you, Brandon, do they split the points or do they just declare a winner based off of that tie, off of the referee's judgment?
Yeah, so when it's tied like that, each team will receive 4 points from the 8. So it looks like red got the bonus after all and the win point as well.
So in this case, they decided not to score the tie. Felt that red was slightly ahead, and now we're kicking off the player control portion of this matchup.
I think red's playing some heavy defense on blue over here, trying to get him not to match load. It's pretty effective over here. They're doing really well.
See a battle going on in the blue offensive zone between 2587K and 2084K. As they were going out there for a minute. As we see blue desperately trying to launch those tri-balls and get them in position. Can't quite do it so far. There they finally got one.
While they're doing it, 1065A, scoring point after point after point into the red goal. There's amazing gameplay from both the teams over here. Blue is going to find that hole, start match loading. Looks like blue has the slapper mechanism that we talked about earlier. 24K deploys a blocking mechanism.
Man, 1065A has been cleaning house with the tri-balls.
That is amazing to see from that. Looks like they also have a mechanism. Looks like their imping's actually on a motor, so it can move up and down. That's going to let them block some shots from the Blue Alliance. That's amazing strategy over here, and that's what makes this game so fun to watch, because you're never going to know what a robot can come to the field with, and you're never going to know who's going to win until the match finishes.
And I'm impressed with 1065A. There for a moment there, he was blocking the Blue Alliance. And as you were saying earlier, they only give you a 5-second window to do that.
Exactly. It looks like we see some last-minute scoring over here. Are they going to get the elevation up? They're a bit stuck. Looks like they're trying to get their motor on. 5 seconds left. Is 2084K going to go for it? They both, unfortunately, look like they do not, as their wheels are touching the ground. And in order to be elevated, you have to be above the ground and touching the bar.
There you see the judge from the call by the referee waving off any elevation.